agriculture, we have more and more data on whatever the domains of agriculture, data from various sources, and it's important to standardize the knowledge in order to share this knowledge between the different actors in agriculture, and also to build data sets and to combine data sets of various sources.
So many agricultural data sets collected in CSV files and shape files and so forth, and after the person that collected them passes it on to somebody else, you already lost some of the meaning because the columns in these things aren't annotated, and especially when you start working with more complex environmental data, you start losing sight of what it was. Units of measure get lost quickly and so forth. You're going from a system of one manufacturer to the system of another, trying to get data from both. It happens that the data is in different formats, and that's something that standards groups like AgGateway have been working very hard to enable, but that's only part of the problem. So you still have to understand that the identifier used to identify corn in the system of one manufacturer is going to be different from the identifier used by another one. And sometimes the one manufacturer might have, yellow corn, and another one might just have maize. And some of those broader than equivalent to sort of relationships are easy to represent in an ontology, and I personally think it's time that the farm management systems segment of the industry and the machinery manufacturers start talking in terms of concepts and ontologies.
The future of ontology depends, I think, on how the scientific and technical communities are ready to adhere to this tool with knowledge and data sets shared and well identified, which can be reused easily for modeling approaches, for instance, by other people.
I think the nature of the problems we need to solve is getting more complex, and so it's time to use ontologies.